If you've ever had an IV, then you know some of what is involved. It can be an anxiety-inducing process for many patients. It takes a lot of skill and expertise to painlessly start an IV and do it as effectively and efficiently as possible. And the work doesn't stop just when the infusion goes. You have to monitor tests, check for dressings, monitor the medications, and so much more. While many nurses start IVs and do blood draws, a specialized group of nurses called infusion nurses are the ones that are dedicated experts to doing this procedure. They know all things IV. January 25th is the recognized National IV Nurses Day from the Infusion Nurses Society. We here at Midland Health want to thank all of you who have dedicated your professional careers to IV nursing. We thank you for taking care of our community and all that you do to ensure effective care for our patients.